Communication to an office premises monitoring company is oftentimes a requirement for most fire alarm systems. Let's take 2 minutes to learn more about DACTs, one of those communication methods. So what a DACT is it's a digital alarm communicator transmitter. Essentially, you've got a dialer connected to the phone line. Now, that dialer can be shared with other devices, such as faxes. In the event that a signal is being transmitted from the protected premise to the monitoring station, line seizure is required. And what line seizure does is when that signal is coming through, it seizes that line so that the DACT can send its signal. What 72 states and some of the requirements are is that the DACT may connect to a single telephone line, meaning that you can use one phone line. However, the second path, the second connection, you've got to utilize another method. One-way radio, two-way radio, and performance-based options are going to be what you are looking for that secondary path. Because of this, it makes it a multi-path communication, which means supervision of it is no longer going to be every 60 minutes, but can be extended to every 6 hours. So your DACT will be connected through the fire alarm control panel. In the event anything happens, first line goes off, sends it over the telephone lines to the supervising station. In the event of a failure on your primary line, your secondary path is going to take effect. Now, the secondary DACT path is going to be accomplished by one of 3 different methods. You can go with dialer capture, data capture, or through contact closures. What we are doing is using that second phone line of the DACT for that other method. Now, something to keep in mind is that the method being used depends on a lot of times equipment compatibility. If you're going with dialer capture is generally universal, meaning that you don't have to have as much compatibility. But if you're going with data capture, well, you're going to be looking at a lot of times control equipment and your communication device having to be from the same manufacturer. Contact closure, you still are going to be looking at a bit of compatibility. However, contact closure provides the least amount of information for the most economical price. If you're looking to learn more or just simply need an excuse to go down to Vegas, well, we're going to be holding our first ever National Training Conference in Las Vegas in October 15th through the 17th. We're going to have multiple training classes available. If you're interested, if you want to learn more, you can log on to our website, nationaltrainingcenter.com/conference.